Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can unsubscribe from everyone in the TikTok app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also put your likes. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the TikTok app on your device. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. After that, if you, let's say, want to unsubscribe from specific people, you'll need to go to your subscriptions list. And here, in this list, you can unsubscribe from a particular person. So the only thing you have to do is click unsubscribe next to their name. And as you can see, now I, for example, with a particular user, I am now not a subscriber of that user. And that's what you can do with absolutely everyone you want to do. But if you have tasks exactly this large list of subscribers, then it can take a very long time. And for that, to simplify your life, you can go another way. To do this, go back to your profile. Then click on the three bars in the top right corner and then Settings and Privacy. Here you will need to scroll down and select Report a Problem. Next is Account and Profile. And then Edit Profile. Other. And at the bottom, select this question, I need other help. And that will take you to a page where you can contact TikTok support. And to do that, you'll need to further, right here on this line, describe your problem. For example, hello, TikTok support team. I would like you to help me unsubscribe from all my TikTok subscriptions because I have a lot of them and it's taking a very long time. Please help me with this. Thank you. Well, or some text that you feel would be acceptable to send to the support team. Once you do that, just click Ready and then Submit. And literally, in 1 or 2 days, the TikTok support team should be able to help you and respond to your request. Friends, this is the way to unsubscribe from everyone in TikTok. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.